In this video we can discuss about application of ratios. First we can look how to divide a quantity or amount in a given ratio. For example, John and Michael started a business and invested money in the ratio 2:3. After 1 year the total profit was $10,000. Can you help them to divide the profit in the ratio of their investment? Now let us calculate their profit share. Here the given ratio is 2:3, that means, out of the total invested amount 2 part is John's share and 3 part is Michael's share. So the total investment amount can be considered as 2 plus 3, that is 5 parts. That means, John should get 2/5 of the total profit. We can write it as 2/5 into total profit, 10,000. And Michael should get 3/5 of the total profit. We can write it as 3/5 into 10,000. On simplifying we will get Michael's profit share as So when the total profit amount 10,000 divided in the ratio 2:3, John will get 4,000 and Michael will get 6,000. Now we can learn how to divide a quantity in a given ratio. Mother wants to divide 18 sweets between her daughters Mia and Maya in the ratio of their ages. If Mia is 4 years old and Maya 5 years old, find how much Mia and Maya will get. Here we want to divide these 18 sweets in the ratio of their ages, 4 and 5. The ratio of their ages can be written as 4:5. So the total ages, we can write it as 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, Mia should get 4/9 of total sweets and Maya should get 5/9 of total sweets. Let us do it. That means, when 18 sweets divided in the ratio 4:5, Mia gets 8 sweets and Maya gets 10 sweets. Hope all understood how to divide an amount or quantity in a given ratio, which is clearly described in these two problems. Now let us discuss another type of ratio problem in which finding ratio of students on the basis of the games they like. Of 30 students, 12 students like cricket, 6 students like football, and remaining students like tennis. Here we have to find the ratio of 1. Number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. 2. Number of students liking cricket to total number of students. Let us solve the first question. Here we have to find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis, that can be written as. For that we need the number of students liking football and the number of students liking tennis. Here we have to find the number of students liking tennis. Now we know the number of students liking football and tennis. So the ratio of number of students liking football to tennis can be written as 6:12. On simplifying we can write it as 1:2. Now we can solve the second question. Number of students liking cricket to total number of students. Number of students liking cricket equals 12 and total number of students equals 30, so the ratio can be written as 12:30. This can be written in fraction form as 12/30. Remember, the ratio must be written in its simplest form. For that we need to find the HCF of 12 and 30. Now divide the numerator and denominator by HCF, 6. Therefore the number of students liking cricket to total number of students is 2:5. Another problem with age. The present age of father is 40 years and that of his son is 8 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. Age of the father to the age of son when son was 6 years old. Age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Age of father to the age of son when father was 34 years old. Let's solve the first problem. Here it is given, the present age of father is 40 and present age of son is 8. So the ratio of the present age of father to the present age of son is 40:8. On simplifying we get the ratio of the present age of father to the present age of son is 5:1. Now we can solve the second problem. Age of the father to the age of son when son was 6 years old. Here it is given the age of son is 6. We know the present age of son is 8. So the son's age was 6, 2 years before. That means we need to find what was the age of father 2 years before. Let us do it. Now we know the father was 38 when son was 6 years old. So the ratio can be written as 38:6. On simplifying we will get the ratio of the age of the father to the son when son was 6 years old is 19:3. Now we can solve the third problem. Find the ratio of the age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Here we have to find the ratio of ages after 10 years. Let us calculate their ages after 10 years. Age after 10 years means present age plus 10. Therefore father's age after 10 years is present age 40 plus 10. That is 50. And son's age after 10 years is present age 8 plus 10. That is 18. Therefore the ratio of the age of father to the age of son after 10 years is 50:18. On simplifying we get the ratio of the age of father to the age of son after 10 years is 25:9. Let's solve the fourth problem. Ratio of the age of father to the son when father was 34 years old. Find the difference between the present age of father, that is 40, and the age given in the question, that is 34. That is equal to 6. Now we understand that father was 34 years old before 6 years. We need to find the son's age also before 6 years. The present age of son, that is 8 minus 6, is 2. Now we know son was 2 years when father was 34 years old, so the ratio of age of father to the son is 34:2. Next we can simplify this ratio. Since the HCF of 34 and 2 is 2, we can simplify the ratio by dividing 34 and 2 by 2, and we will get 17:1. So the ratio of father to the son when father was 34 years is 17:1.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.